If you clicked on this video, there is a good chance you're already feeling that weird Sunday anxiety. It's technically still the weekend, but your brain is already stressing about Monday. I'm gonna show you 3 simple but powerful tricks to actually enjoy your Sunday night, feel more chill, and start Monday on a better note. Number 1, Monday challenge. Make your Monday exciting and give yourself a fun little challenge. It's a task you set for yourself to stay motivated, feel proud, or just have some fun. So, why does this help with the Sunday scaries? Because it flips your mindset. Instead of worrying and overthinking, you feel excitement and joy. Here is how to set up your Monday challenge. Pick something small and specific. Something that excites you and that you can do in a day or even in 15 minutes. For example, take a photo of something beautiful and add it to your Magical Mondays album. Or compliment 3 colleagues at work. Write it down Sunday night, on paper or in your calendar. That way your brain has something positive to focus on. Tell someone about it, your partner, a friend, or post it on social media. That way you're more likely to actually do it. When you complete it, celebrate, even if it's just treating yourself to something yummy. Number 2, Sunday night ritual. Create a little end-of-week ritual to ease into the new week. A ritual is something you do regularly and intentionally. Same time, same way. It gives you a sense of control and lowers stress and anxiety. Instead of your mind running wild, you have a plan that calms the chaos. It helps your body relax and shift into recharge mode, which makes falling asleep easier and improves sleep quality. Here is how to build your own Sunday ritual. Make a list of activities that calm you down or boost your mood, like reading in bed, a hot bath, or watching a cozy movie. Look at your usual Sunday routine and schedule your ritual at specific times. For example, 6 p.m., turn off your phone. 6:30 p.m., hot bath with your favorite book. 8 p.m., write down 3 things you're grateful for while sitting in bed. Stick to your routine and you will see a huge difference in how you feel. Number 3, gratitude. Notice the good stuff and appreciate what you've got. Why does this work? When you intentionally focus on what you're grateful for, it lights up the parts of your brain that boost positive emotions, calm you down, and make you feel safe. It lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, and quiets that anxious mental chatter. Here is how to practice it. On Sunday night, think of 3 things you're grateful for and why. Write them down in a notebook, on your phone, computer, or even as a voice note. Just complete this sentence. Today, I am grateful for because, for example, today I am grateful for walking the dog because that time together always lifts my mood. Which of these 3 tricks speaks to you the most and why? Drop a comment and let me know. If you need something to calm you down fast before a stressful meeting, a test, or event, check out this video with a 5-minute guided box breathing exercise. Thanks for watching and see you next time.